just going to say, like, we look at this property, right? And what's the opening bid again?
So this is, I think it's 9 and 8,400, and it looks like the land is worth $202,000.
Yeah. So something like this, one of the things with tax deed investing is you always have to ask, like, where's the money? How do we make money off this thing? Something like this, if you get it 10, 20,000 bucks, and then from there, looks like there's somebody on the property that you'd have to deal with. So you'd have to factor that in as well. So we might want to figure, who knows how much to get that person off. You'd have to clean up the property, factor all of that in as well. But this would definitely be something we would. What do you think max bid on this one?
Yeah, I mean, if it really is 200 grand, so we would do some due diligence on it first. There's a lot of trash on there too, and debris. So we would set aside some money for that, and then a little bit for tax title services, and then a little bit for yeah. So I mean, let's say it is worth $200,000. You could, if you were to be, let's do this one more time. Yeah, let's say you get it up for like up to 95 grand, and then you could sell it for $200,000, and you have budget set aside for, let's say, $15,000 to clean it up, get it ready to go, and double your money would be pretty awesome. So that's if it was worth $200,000, and we could move it pretty easily. If we couldn't, then we would have to start to decrease the price there and give ourselves some more room.
Yeah, but everybody here, remember the principle as far as like your max bid is how much you have. So on this thing, opening bid again was
84. Yeah, 84.66.
Right. So like this is a game of taking swings. So if you have $10,000, then that's going to be your max bid. You're going to take that swing for 10,000 bucks. Everything is dynamic in the sense it's relative to how much money you have to take swings with, right? So for people starting out, if you have 10,000 bucks, you just keep swinging. And the cool thing about this, maybe you hit on your first auction, maybe you hit on the second one, or if you don't, there's tons of over-the-counter properties available that you can go buy just for the taxes owed. Yeah, you put in a little bit of elbow grease, but that's okay. And something like this, the number Josh was referencing, it's like, okay, if we have 110 grand in the bank, it's way better to go into something like this. And even if you make 40 or 50 grand, that's still pretty good. So it's relative to how much you have to start, and there's opportunity for all budgets across the board.
Yeah, it's more like you probably wouldn't want to go past that point. And so something like this, I mean, this could go for $20,000, $19,000. It could go, up to 100. It could go to 40, 50. I mean, these things really vary from auction to auction, which is what makes it so unique.
All right, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I have a free gift for you for watching a free mini course called The ABCs of Tax Lien and Deed Investing. This is one of the best books on tax liens, and it is totally free as my gift to you for watching. In the description below, it'll walk you through tax liens from start to finish, along with the directories with all 1,500 tax lien and deed counties put here so that you don't have to go and search around the internet to find them on your own. So the other thing I have is if you already have this book and you want to do a deep dive, my team and I have found an auction with a whole bunch of properties worth 200 to 300 grand, opening bids of just 1,600 bucks. So if you want to deep dive and attend an auction with some help, you can also schedule a free call below and we can discuss helping you in this business. Regardless, thanks for watching. You can check things out in the description below and enjoy the videos. We'll see you soon.